Unleash your music on the world's biggest platforms in minutes. DistroKid, the game changer every musician needs to know. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Dive in as we unveil the secrets of kickstarting your journey with DistroKid. Stick around until the end, and you'll discover not just the basics, but also advanced insights that will revolutionize the way you navigate the world of music distribution and beyond. Get ready to elevate your music career to new heights. DistroKid serves as your passport to major music platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok. This service provides a direct channel for your music to reach a wide audience. One of the standout features of DistroKid is its unlimited song upload capacity. For a single annual fee, you can upload as many songs as you want, providing immense value for prolific artists. To get started with DistroKid, begin by creating an account. Head to their website and click Sign Up. It's a straightforward process designed to get you up and running quickly. When signing up, you'll need to provide some basic details. This includes your email address and creating a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. DistroKid offers 3 subscription levels: Musician, Musician Plus, and Label. Each tier has different features and pricing, so pick the one that aligns with your needs as an artist. Payment for your chosen subscription tier is the next step. DistroKid accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, making it convenient regardless of your preferred payment method. Once your account is active, you're ready to upload your music. Navigate to the Upload button on your dashboard to begin adding your tracks to DistroKid's distribution network. You'll need to fill in essential information about your music, like the artist's name, album title, and release date. This information helps categorize and correctly list your music on streaming platforms. When uploading your music, DistroKid supports multiple file formats, including WAV, MP3, and FLAC. Choose the format that best maintains your audio quality. Your cover art is crucial in attracting listeners. Make sure it's compelling and reflective of your music's style and theme. This visual component can significantly impact listener engagement. After finalizing all details, hit Done. This action initiates the distribution process, sending your music off to a variety of streaming platforms, expanding your potential listener base. Beyond distribution, DistroKid offers opportunities to earn money. Every stream or download of your song translates to earnings, and DistroKid doesn't take a commission from these profits. DistroKid's YouTube Money service monetizes videos on YouTube that feature your music. It's an excellent way to earn from your music being used in YouTube content. Hyperfollow, another DistroKid service, is a promotional tool. It helps in gathering fan emails and boosting your streaming numbers, essential for growing your audience. With the Store Maximizer, your music is automatically added to new stores and streaming platforms as they become available, maximizing your reach without extra effort on your part. Feeling a connection with our content? Strengthen it. Click subscribe, show your resonance with a like, and ring the bell to stay connected to our flow of ideas. Ready to deepen the bond? Let's continue exploring together. Adding lyrics to your music can increase its visibility and consequently, its earning potential. DistroKid provides an option to include lyrics, enhancing listener engagement. The Teams feature in DistroKid allows for seamless revenue splitting among collaborators. This automatic division of earnings simplifies the financial aspects of collaborative projects. DistroKid's Vault is an essential safety net. It stores backups of your original files, providing peace of mind that your music is secure. DistroKid enables post-release edits to your tracks. Whether it's a title change or artwork update, these can be handled with ease, allowing for flexibility and updates as needed. Utilizing DistroKid's promotional tools is key to increasing your music's visibility. These tools help in getting your music in front of more listeners, which is vital for growth. For musicians releasing cover songs, DistroKid streamlines the licensing process for a small fee. This service ensures you're covered legally, allowing you to focus on the creative aspect. Regularly checking your stats on DistroKid is important. They provide detailed reports on your streams, downloads, and earnings, offering insights into your music's performance. If you encounter any problems, DistroKid's customer support is readily available. They offer comprehensive assistance to help you navigate any challenges in your music distribution journey. Remember, DistroKid is more than a distribution service. It's a platform that offers various tools and services to help you maximize your music's potential and earnings. The key to leveraging DistroKid effectively is understanding all its features and services. This knowledge enables you to utilize the platform to its fullest, benefiting your music career. Consistency in uploading and promoting your music through DistroKid can lead to significant growth in your audience and earnings. Regular engagement with the platform is essential. For emerging artists, DistroKid offers a cost-effective and efficient way to get music onto major platforms. It's an accessible entry point into the world of music streaming and distribution. DistroKid's simplicity and range of services make it an attractive option for musicians at all levels. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your reach, it's a tool worth considering. In conclusion, DistroKid provides a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for distributing your music. It's a valuable asset for any musician looking to reach a wider audience and increase their earnings. So, if you're an artist looking to get your music out there, consider DistroKid. With its straightforward setup and range of services, it's an excellent choice for managing your music distribution. Dive into the heart of digital innovation. Your journey starts with a free ebook, a comprehensive guide to the most effective online business strategies available today. But this is just the opening chapter. What follows is an immersive 15-day challenge, expertly designed to fine-tune your skills in the fast-paced world of e-commerce, under the mentorship of top digital professionals. This is your opportunity to apply cutting-edge tactics and utilize a robust toolkit, setting you on a course for online success. Ready to transform your digital aspirations into reality? Step forward boldly. Click the link in the description and embark on a transformative path to conquer the digital marketplace. Lowering the sails on today's e-earning nautical journey. Steered through the method, smooth sailing, or choppy waters? Anchor your experiences in the comments. Did today's financial voyage chart a course to riches for you? Click like to navigate more of these waters. Thirsty for a deeper dive into sea of online earnings? Subscribe and ring the ship's bell, ensuring you're on deck for every adventure. Before you dock, spot that video on the horizon? It's a lighthouse guiding you to another treasure cove of digital income. Set sail and let's navigate the vast ocean of e-earning together. Until our next maritime quest.